Every time people come into our shop, they always leave with a smile on their face because we want to show our love and our passion for what we do and give it to the people in the community. Hi, my name is Anthony Alcati. I am an assistant pastry chef and welcome to Sweetland Patisseries. Sweetland Patisserie is a family. My dad owns the business and my uncle's the head chef and I'm the assistant pastry chef. It's just awesome being able to work with your family in a nice business. In Harris Park, everyone's very friendly. There's always familiar faces around. And just because we're like Lebanese people in an Indian community doesn't mean we're any different. We're always very welcome into the community. The shop itself has been open for over 24 years now. It was a bit difficult with our normal lineup, but we were lucky enough to implement an eggless cake, which catered towards the demographic, which was the Indian community. The hero dish is the eggless chocolate marble cake. The first thing is starting off with the eggless mixture, putting it all together, and then putting it into a tray. The cake is baked, and then from there we go into phase 2. Phase 2 is where we cut the cake into whatever shape or form we like, which in our hero dish's case is 1 layer of custard and 1 layer of fresh cream. The chocolate marble cake isn't an easy cake to make and finalize since there's a lot of finessing involved in it, from the piping of the cake to the actual covering of the chocolate ganache. And I believe that's what has led people to come back every day. We've had people come from far and wide, with people coming from as far as Newcastle to want to buy a cake. We also have a variety of Lebanese sweets, baklava, starting from the strings to the nests, jubaili, Turkish delight. We make a lot of different custard pastries, from profiteroles to eclairs to fruit tarts. We make all kinds of different coffee, and we also sell something to decorate your cake with. We are Lebanese people, and we want to try and give the most of our culture to our customers. It doesn't matter where you're from or who you are, what you identify as, you're always welcome in our family at Sweetland Patisserie.